This is into our live desk. Notre Dame's rector said this morning that he will actually be closing the cathedral for up to 6 years. Now, we do have a live look over there at the Notre Dame Cathedral, and there are efforts towards rebuilding this morning. The French Prime Minister announced that international architects competition to rebuild the Spire will be taking place now. Associated Press quoting him saying that aims to give Notre Dame a spire adapted to technologies and challenges of our time. Right now, there's no exact estimate of how much renovation work will cost, although, as Denny mentioned, hundreds of millions of dollars have already come pouring in.